Hey fellow adventurers, this is Dustin the Phantom Traveler, and today I'm at Netflix Bites in the MGM Grand Hotel in Las Vegas. Netflix Bites is a themed eatery that has a menu inspired by all of our favorite hit shows from Netflix. So we're gonna go check it out. Come on, I'm starving. Let's go. The menu is full of Americana food with a couple of really noteworthy dishes. First up is this Bridgerton high tea. It comes with a lot of nice little sandwiches and some tea. There's the 11's Feast, which is Eggo waffles and chicken, which is something that seemed to be a pretty popular dish. All of the dishes have names inspired by shows, and the last noteworthy dish is this red bite, green bite, inspired by the Squid Game, which actually has a little fun game that you can play, and we'll take a look at it in just a second. The mood of this place brings out all types of fans, including this little kid who was one of the circle guards from Squid Games. After just a little bit, our food arrived, so you can see our selections for this meal. First up was Inventing Omelette, inspired by Inventing Anna. I ordered the Sugar Rush Pancakes, inspired by Wreck-It Ralph. I have to be honest, I didn't realize this was going to be such a spectacle with a donut, a cupcake, and 2 other pieces of candy. But man, it tasted really good, and it certainly was a great way to get the day started. Our server correctly deduced that I wanted to see this on camera, so he brought over the red bite, green bite. We couldn't touch this because they keep these things sanitized, but basically you spin this wheel and you dip your chicken tender into whatever color comes up regardless of the flavor. What could go wrong? Okay, it's time for the verdict. What did we actually think of Netflix Bites? Overall, the ambiance was great. We would have liked to have a little bit more in terms of actual artifacts from Netflix shows, so we give that 4 out of 5 rockets. The service was really good, and in fact, I'm going to go ahead and give that a 5 out of 5. The food is fairly average, even with the special meals. This is still a 3 out of 5, so don't expect too much. Overall, we've got to give them 4 out of 5 rockets. If you find yourself here in Las Vegas, make sure you check out Netflix Bites. That's going to do it for this walkthrough. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.